Welcome back to our tutorials. In this video we'll set up your company category inside LearnU. The first step will be to fill in more details about your company in the category General Settings. This takes only a few seconds, where you have to choose the name of your category, which will be visible on the app and web version for your users. Also, you have to choose the favicon of your company. This is usually a logo with 1:1 dimensions that is part of your logo. This is an example of a brand favicon. If your logo doesn't have a favicon, we recommend you to upload your complete logo in this section. Here you need to upload your company logo. Remember to upload it without a background. Then you have to choose a background color for your category. As you can notice, there are many options and you can see in real time how this influences the look and feel of your category. The quizzes of your company can be grouped in multiple subcategories, which will allow you to maintain an order and group your quizzes by topics. Here's an example of how to edit and create a new category. The sequential option allows you to define if you want your quizzes to follow a certain order to advance to the next one. If you deactivate this option, all quizzes will be free from order. And finally, as you can see, the access option is locked, which means that only people who have access to your company code will be able to access the content you create. Once you have completed all these points, click on Save and you will be able to create your first quiz. Now we have arrived at the summary panel of the quizzes of your company. As we can see, it's empty because we've not created any quizzes yet. In the next video, we'll explain to you how to create a quiz. It's simple and fast.